That cost enough away for worthless too. If a foreign free clothes. You know? Cost enough away for worthless.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want to go work. But
so me want to tell you, me go I want go club. And me tell you go, say me want trust. From you hear the voice, you know say man Badwacat video a forward. Let's watch, laugh, and enjoy.
when me and my man fight, natural cause, brother. And no sex or no relationship.
Yes,
so,
brother.
brother.
Yes, brother.
No, cause here and if a woman I go kill her and kill herself, where you go do?
Kill her and prison.
Hey, you have to just take bun in your bumbo
And
cloth,
give her
brother.
gun to them.
Left.
The party hot still though.
Oh, yeah, how you mean? How hot? Two man have fuck with nothing for you. And feel more like take fuck. All about him. Hey, why am I use for me? You know when you hot, when I'm going to use my money, mine you. That's so hot. Yeah, but what hot in that if girl go give you a lick up? What hot that hot?
You know why make some when you man them talk about woman gang give them
Hey, that's alright.
them pussy, them here pussy.
Hey, woman make figure where you
Yeah, what did I would get?
so when a woman have enough in a man,
Nothing no man.
What you mean? So after we are spend on this.
Bun hot. How bun affect you after you again? Hey, boy, Bawdacat, I ain't gonna lie, bun hurt. Bun hurt. More than fire. But for real, if you get bun, left the woman. Control the emotion. Keep your emotion intact. And don't hurt her. Don't beat her. Don't off her. Leave her alone. Move on. Get yourself a next one. Who gonna bun you again? When they say wash, rinse, and repeat. Yeah.
I'm on cherish it. I cook this thing to you lose.
You sure?
Yes, man.
No, man. Me have things that my friend give me.
You see one of your cheeks?
I'm weary with caution.
Well, I know. Listen me now.
Me weary and putty.
Yes. Listen me now. You ever have one little fuck up on the love you don't like? And we go to school. I want a new boot. Well, I know. Well, I know. You want a new boot, you know, but through the fuck up on the year we're not done, your parents nah buy you none. You take out the lace, you kickstone everything, and that pussy will nah mash up. You get a new one. Check the levels enough. You nah done. Just through you go get a new one.
Why you are do that?
Get a new one now. Every day you shine, you polish and take care of it, and look how fast that blood clot lift up on you. I sure like it. Alright, but one way you don't like, you never done it.
You feel say that the new one I got done. Why you are do that to the one the way you don't like? Not because you don't like
You
it.
don't like it. Then that's
That one you
I know, so when me I go to high school, 1 year me get some bad grades. I mean, I tell us my grandmother send the ugliest shoes me ever seen in my life. Come from foreign. Come and give me to go to school. Me vex. Me think me in 8th grade or 9th grade. Hey, I ugly shoes. I don't know what kind of shoes it be. It's not a gentleman. It's not a sport shoes. It's not a sneakers. That shoes they like a she makey. And for real, the shoes never mash up. Right now, it probably still there. I mean, yard as an put up as an antique thing there, item. I swear. And the shoes I did love one time. Oh my God, 3 days me weary. I'm gonna go kick football in 5th grade and it mash up.
know one white catch him at 1979 catch him.
What that what?
Either come from town, brother, or down the parish way down so. Man pick him bill for him and a papi walk go home. At a Friday night 70s. Catch him back in the 90s and now him a come home. Man pick him bill for that Jenny in a bus. Man get up and say, you a brother. Somebody thief me purse. Who take me bill for? No man not the man so no hear what. No make what happened 1979 happen again. And we bill for run carry back home. Man say yes, brother. The people them no want know what did happen 1979. Man say not never did happen and the people
Everybody wanna know what happened 1979. Brother. they tell me before and I have to walk go home. It's as simple as that. Everybody probably feels say as some other business or somebody get stabbed up or chop up or something violently. Oh my gosh, boy, Bawdacat, I don't know where you get my story from. I feel say some of them involved you in Bawdacat, but you don't speak like say it's a third party, somebody else. Anyways, one more old school Bawdacat on construction site. Everybody say construction site Bawdacat I best. I mean, me agree.
We's like lamb to bumbuckler slaughter, you know. Any man can just come kill we and nothing no come back out, you know.
That's true.
Anything can, who will protect we? You know, see how the blood clot man them play secure and them have how much security and them have how much, you know how much things now you have to have before we can get gun and gun license. All of we not need gun and gun license. All of we not have equal life where every man life needs to protect.
True, man.
Eh? So our hunger feed them life protect and create one and can't protect.
True that. Reality happen.
All them little pitney they were dead off. Them did it beyond a good protection, brother.
Yeah, man.
God now have no use. We have to leave God out of this. So look how much it be. Man a kill and God can't do nothing about it. That mean we leg up with them reality, brother.
Listen, God help those who help themselves. If a man broken in my house right now, I'm gonna go up on my knee and say, Father God, help me. What do you think gonna happen? I go dead. You have to draw fee 9, you have to draw fee Uzi, you have to draw fee M16, you have to draw fee Glock, you have to draw for everything and pronounce him. Yeah, but in truth and in fact, everything difficult. Forget a Jamaica. Everything. Your driver's license is a problem. Forget one business license is a problem. Don't even mention forget a legal firearm license. And that's the reason why so many regular Jamaicans have illegal gun, because a man no say have something under him pillar at night time asleep with just in case one next man who have an illegal gun, who have bad intention, run up in our house. You see me I say, 2 wrongs I make no right, but hey, it is what it is.
Brother send them there from America. And uncle and auntie. So that cost enough away for worthless too. Keep a foreign free clothes. You know? Cost enough away for worthless. Yeah, we don't want to go work. But brother, you see, anytime you start work and start angle your money and start pay bills and becomes, you find yourself a man now in yourself. Have own responsibility now. Not no nice saying, brother, you're not real life and nobody, you know. And you're just a pray for no sick where you can't work. Because so long as you're not sick, brother, you can't work, have your own money and independent, you're up. Enough things where you used to been through. You tell yourself, see, when me did that blood clot do all the while. Sit down and wait for people and feed them things. And then now me I get abused.
True.
You see yourself and tell yourself, say, this me fi do long blood clot time for myself.
True, man. Not one lie was told by the cat called Bada. Christmas barrel day cause enough argument, enough war, and then the people them who sending, they want to kiss their ass. Yeah, man, independence is key, whether you're male or female. And even as a woman, there with a man, it's good for you have independence. Just in case he cut you off, you can't do good by yourself. Yeah, man. So anyways, the topic of the story, no, the moral of the story is Jamaica hard, Jamaica difficult. If you get any goddamn farmer license, business, driver's license, gun license. Next thing, your foreign family them, some of them a piece of shit. And it's another Bawdacat video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy it, leave a thumbs up. Bro, I'm getting thousands of views and hundreds of likes. Just like up a video for me now, man. Also, click the notification bell and subscribe. Leave a comment down below or in the comment section. That sounds much better. And share this video with your friends and families and exes. Thank you. Stay safe. Have a blessed day, noon or night.